Wow, this party's gonna change. This is awesome! One who is me.
I understand your wisdom, oh great Shelda. You're saying I should chug this snack water upside down, dog!
Yes!
If I knew we were throwing parties like this, I'd have come back weeks ago. Maybe later, bro.
All two. An orb cleaved. How's a party treat? Yeah, it's real.
Listen, Filbo, I appreciate, but these grumps aren't friends. They're just.
Sure, but who?
Here's.
Aw, thanks.
I give this party 7 out of. Me, dance. Besides, this isn't really.
There's a party in my mouth and I'm invited. Oh yeah, uh-huh.
Me, besides, this.
Woo!
I was worried. Never seen everybody getting so rowdy before. I don't know. I remember.
What a... My darling, I'd love to storm the dam.
Oh yeah, uh-huh.
Mm-hmm. At last, Bep. Watch my moves. It's as good as my finger.
Me, besides, this.
Ah! Ooh, that feels good. Ah! Ooh, that feels good.
Oh yeah, uh-huh. Look at this. Oh yeah, uh-huh.
Ooh, you see that? Busting a move.
Snack water? What are you kidding? That is big.
Ooh, you see that?
I owe you. Your apology is as lacking as your excellent. Now that we are, as you seem to have, and I take it. You're interrupting personal business. Rhythmic gyration. Be at ease. I have something important to ask. Rhythmic gyration.
Watch my move.
OMG, they're playing my song! I'm gonna show them what a real party looks like.
An orb. An orb cleaved. A snow of paper shards. So this must be before one dances.
Maybe later, bro.
So the osteoblast says, looks like...
Really, Mo? Yeah, Triffy, you're such a treasure.
This part... Oh, gosh, I don't know. I got 2 left.
Mighty fine shit. I'm thinking I should apologize to Graham. Maybe I could use some of that there.
Ah! Ooh, that feels good.
All right. Much obliged, stranger.
Hey, now,
Gramble, I'm sorry.
you're serious?
I don't tell jokes, Gramble.
Apology.
No, but I suppose it...
Oh, I bet Floofty will want to learn. Watch my moves. It's as good as my fingers. So you see, the desert dance,
Fascinating. Hiding purpose.
Oh, you believe it when she's...
Tiffany has convinced me of the historic and cultural value.
phew, I'm all talked out. Makes me want to shake my tailbone.
I want to tell Chandlo how I feel, but... A heart enraptured is my...
Dog, you know
My chances are... Ahem. Chandlo, we've been together for so long, and I've always wondered how you feel about me. Do you want to be my boyfriend?
what? Bro,
Oh, I see.
Snorpy, we've been dating for years.
Wait, what? How is that possible?
Dude, remember that time we made out on that Ferris wheel and I said we should move in together?
Well, yes, I just thought that we were roommates with benefits. You know I hate ambiguity.
Sorry, Snorp Dog. Is that clear enough for you? I love you, dog. Now let's dance!
Ah! Ooh, that feels good.
Ah, right, that's enough work. Hubba, hubba.
We did it, buddy. We're all together again. Well, almost all of us. But you know what? Knowing Egabella's out there gives me hope that Lizbert is out there too. I mean, none of this would have been possible without you, buddy. I know you have to go back for your job eventually, but I'd sure miss you if you left. And, well, you still need to interview Lizbert, right? So...
Our end is nigh.
What? End? Well, is that a metaphor, or...? We gotta move! Now! Are you okay, buddy? All right, I know this looks bad, but as long as we keep calm...
Our doom approaches. Pray to your gods, children. It's the Queen of Bugsnax. She's rising from the depths to devour us all.
The Grandpanati aim to silence us for good. Their machinations are coming to fruition.
Now hold on. We're not gonna die because of some cult or monster.
That's right.
We're gonna die because the volcano's going off.
That's right. Wait, what?
Oh, bad timing. Suppose we're gonna end up buried like all the others, eh?
Come on, bro. We can survive this. As long as we got Bugsnax, we'll be fine.
My barn collapsed. All of my little ones escaped.
Bummer.
Whoa. We're homeless and out of Bugsnax? Oh, it's a grumpy grump world now.
Dibs on eating Filbo.
Please do. I'm quite curious to see the result. Will Beffica turn into Filbo or the Bugsnax he's eaten? Hold on a moment while I retrieve my notes.
Hey, don't give up yet. We may not have homes or snacks, but we have each other. I know it's pretty scary right now, but we can't fall apart every single time something bad happens. We have to stick together.
Well said, Filbo.
Engabro, you're all right.
What a pleasant surprise. Welcome back, Dr. Batternugget.
Hey, everybody. Chandlo, Floofty, Mr. Troubleham.
Doc?
I'm glad you made it. Does that mean you figured it out?
That's right, Filbo. I know how to get to Liz.
That's amazing! We gotta go right away.
Oh, sorry to say it, but is now really the best time?
This might be the only chance we get. Liz is in danger, and this disaster is only getting started.
The worst is yet to come. So spills forth the toxin unending.
Quiet, you. Doctor, you are only subjecting yourself to needless risk. Elizabeth is likely deceased.
Dog, this bird is alive. And we're not gonna leave her behind.
I just need Filbo and, Filbo's buddy. Sorry, Chandlo.
Bummer.
Well, what are the rest of us supposed to do while y'all were gone?
You prepare for the worst. What do we need right now?
Well, I'm sick of being in the dark for one. I want to know what's out there.
No worries, Beth. I'll build a couple bonfires, maybe a watchtower. Whatever's out there, we'll see it coming.
But what do we do when the Queen comes to devour us?
Well, I have a few prototype traps that I could put to use.
How about the more practical threats? You know, the earthquakes, the volcanoes, and what have ya.
Simple. We find a way to get off the ground if the need arises.
Well, none of that matters if I starve to death.
We got my sauce.
No way, pal. I ain't gonna chow down on that nasty plant goop. I stand corrected.
No more concerns? Great. Let's get to it then.
Without Bugsnax, it's only a matter. I might have.
I say we fix up the balloon, get it ready to go, and all of us pile in there.
All of us? For free? What'd you do with Cromdo?
I ain't all heartless, Beth.
Wow, you actually surprised me today. Without Bugsnax, it's only a matter of.
Crump me. As soon as I get a few Bugsnax, I'm...
I can make the...
Hey, Eggabell, after we get Lizbert, are you two gonna come back to town?
Oh, I don't know. I'm starting to like sleeping on freezing cold rocks. But I'm sure Liz misses our bed.
Well, it'll be ready for you. I've been keeping your hut clean for whenever you got back.
You're such a weird guy, Filbo.
mountain. Still tall.
Oh, do you need a break? How about water? Let me check your vitals.
No, I'm okay. Besides, we're almost there, right?
Right. But in the future, you could stand to do some exercise or just hang out with Chandlo.
All right, we're here. How do we get this thing open, Eggabell?
Turns out she wrote the order backwards. I guess even the great Elizabeth Mega. They can still make mistakes.
Well, nobody's perfect, right? Okay, I'm ready when you are.
We're coming, Liz. 1, 2, 3!
What is this thing? Help! Oh, thanks, buddy. Is Eggabell? Well, you found. Yuck! What is this stuff? Ugh, it's slimy and cold, and I kind of want to eat it. Lizbert is really down here. We better find her fast.
Let them through.
Oh, Lizbert! It's you! You're alive!
Bilbo, you're here.
I can't believe it.
You have to get.
Okay.
No, Bilbo. Are you seriously? I regret inviting. You came here to interview Elizabeth. This is the island's true form. It's Bugsnax all the way down.
That's kind of amazing.
It's disgusting once you understand what Bugsnax really are. They're parasites. They get inside you and they change you, your body and your mind. They make you want them. And before you know it, you become them. It's not that simple. They're insidious. You'll show them a weakness, and they'll exploit it. What you see here, this is what's left of everybody who can. They always win. After I saved Eggabell, Bugsnax were crawling down my throat. They tried to erase me, to make me into them.
That's horrible.
I almost lost myself. But somehow I pushed back. I made them into me. That's right. I'm sorry if I scared you. I just wanted to make everyone leave this awful place. No. They're so ravenous that they're shaking the ground apart. But it's like fighting us. There. You have your answers. I hope you write a story worth telling. I'm sorry that I put you through so much to get it. I can't help.
Wait! If you're really not coming back...
What do you mean?
It's only a matter of time. I'm not good at stuff.
I'm sorry I put so much on your shoulders, Bilbo. Me? Well...
What are you saying?
I led you to this terrible... I didn't understand. So now I'm taking responsibility for...
Liz?
No.
Where have I heard that before?
Eggabell?
Get up. Get up. Come on. Let's go. Get up.
Hey! Ow! Oh, Eggabell, stop it!
No, you stop it! I didn't sleep in an igloo for months just so you could play martyr. We're getting out of here together.
I can't. My control is already slipping. If I step outside this cave, my connection to the Bugsnax will break and the island will collapse before I make it another step.
Huh. All right. Then I'll get in there with you. Move over.
Move over? It's not a car, Belle.
See? That wasn't so hard, right?
It worked! Eggabell, you beautiful genius! Wait, how did you lose your eye?
Oh, I didn't. I just got conjunctivitis. At least the eye patch looks cool, right?
It does make you look a bit dangerous.
So, yeah.
Oh, I don't know.
But I'm sure Liz and I can keep it together.
What? So...
Hey, don't worry about us.
We both survived so much by...
Okay. Good...
It's time to get moving. Get back to Snacksburg.
We're going to have to take a bit of a shortcut. Hold on.
Eggabell? Is that you? Oh, sorry, buddy. Head hurt. Oh, bad. Not dream time yet. Gotta save... friends? Yes! Yes, save friends! We've got to get back to Snacksburg as fast as we can. We can't let the others eat any more Bugsnax. If they transform all the way, then who knows what'll happen? Why did we feed them so many already? We can resist until we're all out of here. Snorpy!
There they are. Where in Grump's name have you two been?
I'll explain later.
I suspected as much.
Great!
They're holding off the swarm as best they can. I've supplied them with...
Snort Dog! They're coming!
Hold steady, my... Oh, but somebody...
Don't worry, Snorpy. Leave the balloon to me.
Splendid. As for you, you may need my snack chop. It's much like the snack trap if it were set to... puree. Good luck.
Okay, buddy, where are you going? Never mind. Buddy, you better put that trap to good use. Oh, okay.
Stay still, you pugnacious pests! Gah, why did Snorberton make this so cumbersome?
One has foreseen. The Bugsnax will be 5 feet to the right of where you're aiming.
I'm a scientist, not...
One is strict.
Not enough. Ah, but here comes someone with a healthy capacity for violence. Take this device and clear a path for us, please. There's no time for cowardice. Assist! That's enough mortal danger for one.
You don't have to tell me twice. You have...
Come on, Snacks! Let's see what you got!
Chum, over here. I've just finished another device, the trip drone.
Don't worry, Snort.
Oh, you... I'll pilot the drone. You ain't...
How about this? Alley-oop!
That'll do.
Yep.
Let's get another angle. Relocating.
Get dunked on! 3 points! This one's for Snort Dog!
Fine work, chum.
Yep. We crushed it, dog! I'm gonna give you the hug of your luck!
Don't celebrate too soon. We're not...
You see anything yet? Oh,
Don't worry. There's one thing I'm good at. It's looking for trouble.
you got it! Fire in the... Whoa, they're toast!
It's almost a shame. Oh, bestie. But now that you're here...
Yeah, sure thing. Oh, my back. There you go. Here, take this. Oh, that's heavy. Oh, my back. Here, take this. Another one for you. There you go. Here, take this. Another one for you. Oh, that's heavy. Oh, my back. There you go. Another one for you. Here, take this. Oh, my back. Oh, that's heavy. There you go. Another one for you. There you go. Oh, my back.
Oh,
We made it!
Runaway snacks never come back.
I don't get it. Why are the little ones attacking us?
They're like a mob of adoring fans, darling. They love you.
Even so, I can't bring my...
Bramble!
I'm not a punk or a rock.
Well, I know who can. Oh!
Is it over? Please.
No time for an.
Come on now! Get your varmints!
It's no use, Whamby. Must have learned a few things since the Stone Age.
Well, what do you want me to do? I won't let them take my garden.
There's hardly any garden left.
There's enough. I still got my special sauce, fresh grown.
Oh, good thinking.
What? That's not what I meant.
Oh, I didn't see you there. Would you mind helping out? Just a matter of life and death is all.
Get it! Come on now! Yeah! Ow!
That's about as big a break as we're gonna get.
Okay, we're all here. Ah, never mind. We gotta get on board now. Come on, we're not gonna make it. Thanks, Liz. Egg.
Well, there goes another farm. I guess there's no shame in starting fresh. I'll find a place with rich soil and even richer history where me and Triffy can settle down.
I was so close to giving up back there. I get so caught up dwelling on the way lives end. But that's not the only thing that matters, yeah? Wambus and I, we're gonna start the rest of our lives today.
It's funny. I spent all my time chasing one muse, and as soon as I put it out of my mind, another strikes me. As we floated down from the sky, watching our home crumble to dust, a little song sprung into my head. I call it an ode to Gramble.
I thought I'd be real sad when I left all my little ones behind. But I feel okay. I don't know, maybe it helps they tried to murder me. But also, I got folks who love me back for real. Like, well, Wiggle.
Hey, bestie. I think I need a vacay from this vacay. Going home doesn't seem so bad anymore. My old life, my old friends, they're all gone. But like, now I know that I can make new friends. And this time, I won't ruin it for myself.
Okay, I know when I'm beat. I draw the line at island full of monsters. All I wanted to do was quit my dead-end job and do what makes me happy. I don't need some big
While I regret that all my research was destroyed, I have come away with a revelation. I cannot improve Grumpus kind if I refuse to understand it. It may be a long and frankly annoying endeavor.
I've never felt so wrong being right. I wish I hadn't wasted so much time telling riddles. I don't need to be all-powerful to give good advice. I just need to be me. And those who listen will listen.
Look at that mess. But still, there were many close calls, and Chandler was always there for me. I think perhaps I could share everything with him.
Bro, that was intense. There's no way I ever would have made it out of there by myself. Good thing Snorpy had my back. When did he get so strong? Maybe I hit my personal limit. But that doesn't matter. There's no limit to what we can do together.
Hey, buddy. Are you... Hey, buddy. Are you... All right, everybody. We should head out. I hate leaving it like this. Yeah. If anybody... I know. I can't... It's gonna take a while for the Bugsnax to wear off on us. I can't go back home like this, so... Is it alright if I stay with you for a while? I can help you with your story. Maybe... Great.
Bunger!
Peel bug. Grape skeeto. Grape skeeto. Grape skeeto.
Bunger!
Locust. Incharito. Spuddy.
Picantis.
Olive.
Snack bug.
Sprinklepeed. Sprinklepeed.
Stoodler. 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 Stoodler.
I have to admit, you tracking down Elizabeth inside an erupting, I'd call it fiction if you didn't.
It's Filbo.
Point is, you're a regular grumpterist.
Yeah, I hope you can spread the truth.
Don't worry. GNN specializes in painful truths. And you're fired. This story's a page-turner and all. Oh, please. Also, you're legal.
Well, so, I hear the I could use...
expedition, 13 strong of Grumpuses, who all set off, seeking out a better life on Snaktooth Island. They did find a tasty quest to fill the hole that many feel inside their soul. Venture deep to reach the truth, and maybe you'll learn something too. You might think it sounds impossible till you've seen a sandwich climb a wall. Kind of bug and kind
sent them away. It would be hard to make them disappear at this point.
Do they suspect anything?
Hard to say. Could be they're idiots. Could be they know the truth and they're keeping it quiet.
Very well. We will have to keep our eye on them. Tu quid edas?
Omne vivamex Bugsnax.